So far, I haven't noticed any crystal growth yet, but I'm not really surprised because it's only been a couple of days and I haven't noticed any significant water evaporation either. So I'm expecting to see some crystal growth next week. How to make alum. To make the alum crystals, my lab partner and I dissolved aluminum foil and potassium hydroxide to make potassium aluminum hydroxide solution. With that, we then added sulfuric acid so that the solid aluminum hydroxide would precipitate. Then we dissolved the solid aluminum hydroxide in more sulfuric acid and heated that so that we had an aluminum and mono hydrogen sulfate ions dissolved in water in a supersaturated solution. We cooled the supersaturated solution quickly in an ice bath so the solute particles would precipitate into an alum powder. After drying the alum powder, we made a supersaturated alum solution with water, which crystals are expected to grow out of. If I were to try to grow table salt crystals from sodium chloride, I would make a supersaturated solution of sodium chloride by putting sodium chloride and water in a pan on the stove and heating it, and then storing it in like a little clear bottle, and then waiting for the water to evaporate so that the crystals could form. I would also seal it with like a Kim wipe or maybe like a tissue over it in a rubber band so that some water could evaporate, and I would keep it in a dark place so that sunlight wouldn't affect it too much. If I were to make another type of crystal, I looked at the Home Science Tools website, and from that I learned that I could also grow crystals by making a supersaturated solution of water and sugar on the stove by boiling it, and taking it off the stove right before hard candy would form. And then you pour the sugar into little cups and you put food dye in each of them and you stick like popsicle sticks in them, and you can grow rock crystal candies on your popsicle sticks, so you can grow crystal candy.